Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a 15-minute strategy, scalping strategy that's really very simple. And all you have to do is react and adapt to the market. If you do this simple strategy that I'm about to show you on the 15-minute time frame, you could pass any challenge in a matter of days. I can promise you that, without any struggle whatsoever, because this strategy consists of following the markets and the candles candle by candle and actually seeing what the market is trying to do. Okay, so that's what we're going to be focusing on today. Strategy is only on the 15-minute time frame. We look at the 4-hour, we look at the way at the daily, just to look at for the direction. If higher time frame is going bullish, we're obviously going to be looking for more buys than sells on the 15-minute time frame, because you always want to go with the trend, right? So with that being said, without further ado, let's break it down. Okay, so the first thing I do is I have GG here. Obviously it's Saturday night, it's Sunday, the market is closed, so I bought replayed the market to a random place on GJ. And yeah, so let's see. So what you need to do is, when it comes to this strategy, is you don't want to look at everything. You need to look at what the market is doing right now. So basically in this range right here, what is the market is trying to do? And that's what we're gonna find out. So what I want you to do is first identify the most recent resistance, right, and the most recent support that the market found. Now we know that we are in between this range, and this range is 11 pips range. If we break this support, we're most likely to travel to the following support area, which is down here, which is not too far. Then the following area would be down here. However, but if we break this high, where are we most likely to travel is up here, right? And that's what we're going to be doing. That's exactly what we're going to be doing. So now we're going to play the market candle by candle, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to be doing. So basically, you're going to take impulse entries. We're not going to wait for nothing. We're just going to see if it breaks a candle's wick, the previous candle wicks. We're going to jump in 1 to 2, 1 to 3, beautiful trades. Okay, so okay, the market is still holding the support beautifully. Okay, boom, closes bullish, comes back to the support. Okay, it breaks the support and heads straight down to this support. So what I mean by an impulse entry is basically we have a bearish engulfing right on the support. All I want you to do is look at the wick, and then you take a short position. As it breaks the wick, your stop loss would be the current candle's wick's high, and then TP is this range right here. So like a 1-to-1 basically. Okay, a 1-to-1, beautiful, 1-to-0.8 discount. So you would have taken an impulse entry as the market was breaking this candle's wick to the downside. You would have jumped in for a sell and took profit at this beautiful support, right? So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be looking for impulse entries. So the market, oh my god, if you held, look at this shit, it traveled all the way down to this support, but that's fine. We don't want to be you know, oh my, look at these massive wicks, guys. So now here's what we're going to be doing. We're back again at the resistance. Okay, now we just wait and watch and see what's going to happen. Huge bullish engulfing, huge bullish candle. And now we're going to wait for the next candle and see what is it going to do. Okay, so the next candle immediately wicks down a bit, and then boom, straight to the resistance that we have here. So let's see what happens if this resistance is going to break. Play the market. Okay, right here. What I would do right here is, because I've seen this bullish candle, I would take an impulse entry as it breaks the wick to my take profit up here, stop loss below the wick, something like that. Okay, something like that. Let's play the market and see what happens. Okay, obviously you don't jump in as the candle goes down. You wait for the break above. So let's see if this resistance is going to break. Now we play the market, bearish engulfing at the resistance, but this candle's wick is all the way down here, so there is no trade available. We skip it, Okay, newfound support, moved right here. So the following candle. All right, and that's where I'll take a sell. You see how this candle closed below the wick? I would take a short position right there. Take profit is this support, and stop loss is below the wick. Boom, 1 to 2. Let's play the market. Holy shit. Okay, so the market have found new support here. Now we play the market, see what happens. Okay. Okay. No entries yet. Oh my god. Once I've seen this candle, I'm jumping in for a buy. Long position, stop loss below, take profit, this major high. Let's see how this trade play out. Huge bullish candle. Okay. Holy shit, take profit got absolutely smashed. That's a 1-2.3. Beautiful. And we move on. And so on and so forth. And that's all I want you guys to do is adapt, react, and adapt to the market. Holy moly, look at this. If you held, this would have been an absolutely bang over trade. But look what happens here. Market found new resistance, right? Market found a new resistance. Gave us 2 bearish candles. And the third one just melted. Okay, so now, oh my god, holy shit, these candles are huge, dude. Jesus, look at this. We're back at the support. Okay, right here. Now I would take a sell, short position above the wick, take profit is down here, this support right here. Boom, boom, and boom. Beautiful. Come on, here, take profit. Here, take profit. Thank you. Holy shit, dude. Do you see what I'm saying? When you take an impulse entry of these bearish engulfings and the break of the wicks, the previous wick's candle, and then the market retraces up, finds resistance. So you move the newfound resistance right here, bearish engulfing. You wait for the following candle to break the wick of the bearish candle, stops just above, and take profit is the support. And look at this. Jeez. I don't have to show you guys much. You guys know exactly what I mean with this amazing, incredible price action strategy on the 15-minute time frame, right? And let me show you guys how I would just go to a random, let's say here, bar replay, boom, somewhere here, right? Look what happens. Okay, market found resistance, right? Market found resistance. Where's the support? Down here, right? Let's wait and see what happens. You mark your, okay, we have a support here too. Market found support and market travel to this resistance. So we'll see how it reacts here, and we may take a sell. Okay. Beautiful. So the market found new resistance, this right here, and gave us a beautiful bearish engulfing. What I would do is jump in for a sell, short position, as it breaking the low of the thing, stops above. First take profit is this low right here, this support area, right? That's a 1 to 1.1. Play the market. Beautiful. Boom. Take profit smashed. Okay. Boom. Take profit smashed. See how I just found the trade easy, and that took 15, 30 minutes. 30 minutes, that's an hour and a half. An hour and a half, you made 1% on your account. Now, okay, let's move on. Price finds resistance here. and a support here, right? Gives us a huge bearish engulfing, but we be patient. Now as it breaks this low, I jump in for a sell, stops above the candle, and then my take profit is the nearest support, which is one right here, and then the next one is down here. So let's see how it plays out. Okay, that's a loss here. That's fine. I'm actually glad it happened, because everything is not just going to be smooth. Market finds support here, right? Now see what happens. Okay, market finds resistance here. So now all I want to do is wait for the next candle and take a sell as it breaks its own low. Okay, so I'm not going to take a sell as it opens and goes up against me. No, I'll wait for the sell, and as it breaks its own low, then I will jump in for a sell. So let's see what happens. So okay, it closed bullish, so there's no trade. Leave it. Okay, market found new resistance. Support is still down here. Okay, bullish candle, bearish candle. Boom, short position, stops above, and my take profit 1 to 1, and take profit 2 is all the way down here. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, beautiful. You could have taken another entry as it breaks its own low, right? Let's play another candle right there, another entry. Let's make another short position right there, stops above the wick, take profit down here. Let's play the candle. Okay, boom. Okay, so the market found support here. The market found support here, which is fine, and it broke and closed above the wick. Therefore, the next candle, as it breaks its own high, I would take a jump in for a buy. Okay, as it breaks its own high, jump in for a buy and put the stops below the wick that it's going to create. Boom. So basically, the candle would have came down, I would have placed the buy as it breaks its own high, and then I would have put my stop loss there, and take profit is this resistance here, 1 to 1.8, 1 to 2, and then you would have actually got a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio from this trade. Huge. Okay, now I can't show you in real time because the market is closed, and as I can't show you as the candles are moving, because this is like a bar replay, so it shows you the opening and the closing of the candle. But what should have happened is, as it came down, right, and created the wick it wants to create, and then it was traveling to the upside and broke its own high, I'll jump in for a buy, stops below the wick, because if it breaks its own wick, lower wick, then I don't want to be in the trade, right? Boom. Now let's find another trade. Okay, market finds resistance here. Okay, our support is still down here. Boom, short position. As it broke the low, stops above the wick, and take profit is this support right here. Let's see how it played out. Boom, boom, another one here, and take profit is absolutely smashed. At this point, you should have your break even and close 90% of your trade, because at this point you are literally running at a 1 to 2.4 risk reward ratio. So you'd be dumb not to take profits off the table. Okay, so price finds support. Look at that. Price found support here. I would immediately exit my trade as soon as I see the market found support. I would not be in this trade right now, and I would take my profits and move on. So price finds support, and then here's our nearest resistance. Now let's wait and see what happens. Okay, it broke the support. You would have taken an impulse entry, short position, as it broke the low of the previous candle, stop loss above the wick, and take profit is this mini support. And then we also have this support, which is a 1 to 1 and then a 1 to 2. Boom, straight to take profit. At that point, if you didn't take profits, I don't know what you're doing. Anyway, price found another support here, right? So now we're out of this trade. Here's the nearest resistance and here's the nearest support. Let's wait and see what happens. Boom, from support to resistance, from resistance to support. And this is the simplicity of this trading strategy. You basically follow the market and watch and see how the market is creating brand new found support and brand new found resistance, and take trades from and to. Right here, the market looks like it's going up. The next resistance I have is up here. So this could be a beautiful trade. So long position, the next candle, once it's open and it created its wick, then on its way up, I'll take my buy after it breaks its own high. And then I'll put this here, stops up below the wick, and let's see how this trade play out. So okay, it didn't create it didn't close bullish, or it wasn't, it just moved bearish. So I would just leave it, right? Leave it, get it out. Price found resistance. Here's our nearest support down here. So bearish engulfing. The following candle, if it's boom, so there's the wick. Okay, so it created the doji. Leave it, don't do nothing. Okay, price found support again, right? And the candle closed bullish with no wick. So that means there's momentum. So the next candle, once it opens, again breaks its own high, then I would put my stop loss below its wick. Take profit is still my resistance. Boom. Then stop loss is below the wick. Take profit is up there. That's a loss. Okay. Move on. Support held beautifully. This would have been a beautiful short as it broke the wick. Stops above the candle, and your support is right here, which is take profit. Right? That's also oh, that's a sell. But a buy. That's anyway. Yeah, look at this shit. Holy shit. But you can see what I mean by this trading strategy is you find the nearest and the newest found support and resistance, and you take trade based on these levels from and to. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini trading scalping strategy. If you do, make sure you smash the like button, comment down below what you think about it, and if you do enjoy and want more content like this, make sure you subscribe so you see all the videos I post. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.